Ziyajika izinto. Impilo ithatha osemsamo imbeka emnyango, isusa osemnyango imbeka emsamo. Ma ungakholwa buka the way abelungu abatatazela ngakhona. Ma ungakholwa buka the way amazwe abe-leader abe-controller umhlaba wonke ukuthi alwa kanjani ukuthi a-maintain ipower yayo. It's because things are changing. Amandla ayashintsha. Dala kuloku kuqala kubonisa ukuthi-ke there's a regime change. Ukuthi-ke there's going to be a new world order. So wena mangabe ucabanga ukuthi-ke impilo yakho kuphela lapho izinto ezingekho stable khona, uyadlala wena. Lento iyenzeka worldwide. Ngikutshela ukuthi wena ayikho into engeke ize ishintshe, and angeke izinto zize zishintshe physically zingazange ziqale zishintshe spiritually. Wonke ama-physical changes esiwabonayo in the environment, esiwabonayo in our everyday lives, aqale enzeka spiritually. So manje sesawabona ama-manifestations physically. Sometimes you just have to be awake enough to understand ukuthi kwenzakala. And that's why ngithi mina it's important ukuthi siqine in the spiritual and understand ukuthi-ke i-spiritual sinamandla angakanani phezu kwey'mpilo zethu naphezu kwa-how we experience impilo esinayo esinikezwe uNkulunkulu, ukuze sizokwazi ukuthi si-change nalokhu esikubonayo in the physical. All changes start in the spiritual, in the 5D before they manifest in the 3D. Okay guys, isikhathi esibi kabi sokuthi ube nomhobholo. Isikhathi esibi kabi sokuthi wenze izinto ngenhloso yokurobha omunye umuntu. Isikhathi esibi kabi sokuthi ubenefithe izinto ngendlela engekho right. Because anything oyenza manje, you are setting ama-generational curses. Iy'ngane zakho zizoba yi-product yayo yonke into embi wena oyenzayo kwabanye abantu. Iy'ngane zakho, yabona lo mhobholo ezikubona uba nawo, lezinto ezikubona uzenza ukuze uzophuca abantu okungokwabo, ubarobhe of izinto okungezabo, zizokufunda kuwe zikwenze kuwe, ziphinde zikwenze futhi amongst each other. Zizokhrosana, zizobulalana, zizozondana, zizondanele lezinto lezi wena obowuthi-ke uyintshontshela abanye abantu wenzela zona. Let me tell you, this is not the right time. It's not the right time yokuthi uwenze izinto nge-corruption, because everything oyenzayo uzoyithola ujikelwa yilo yomkakho, yileyo ndoda yakho bowuyitshela ukuthi yonke into oyenzayo yenzela ukuthi nina niphile buthebelele. Bazokujikela. Uzobona nje kufana nalama-farmers lawa ekuthiwa azonikezwa ama-millions eZimbabwe for as reparations for ama-land grabs noma i-land expropriation. Sazi kahle sonke ukuthi akusi umhlaba wabo loyo. Sazi kahle sonke ukuthi umhlaba bawutshontsha and abadeserve ngisho isenti. Imali le efanele ngabe ebantwini abamnyama. Kodwa ngoba yonke into bayenza ngomhobholo, basizwe yi-US, basizwe yi-UK, basizwe yi-United States, just you watch. Iy'ngane zabo zizobe zibulalana. Abafazi babo bazobe bebathengela abantu ngoba befuna ukuthi basale kube yibo bodwa aba-enjoya lawo mamiliyoni. Thula nje ubuke wena, zizobe zijikelana because unjalo umhobholo. Unjalo umhobholo, and futhi benze ngesikhathi esi-wrong. Benze ngesikhathi esi-wrong. This is not the age for leyo mkhuba. Yabona le age yayikwazi ukuthi isupporte leyo mkhuba yomhobholo indlulile iphelile. Yabona manje sobe sibuka amafilimu guys. Mark my words. I'm a recovering people pleaser, and akukho easy. Every day fanele u-challenge lama beliefs onawo, lawa agcine ekuphendule i-people pleaser. Because manje izinto seyihamba zafika lapho bona khona ukuthi angikwazi ukuqhubeka kanje. Angikwazi ukuthi ngiloku ngenza izinto ukuthi ngijabulise abanye abantu at my expense. Angikwazi ukuthi njalo ngiyicompromise mina nokudingwa yimi ukuze abanye abantu bezohlale be-right ngaso sonke isikhathi. Ngaso sonke isikhathi ku-compromise mina. Ngaso sonke isikhathi yimi who is giving. Ngaso sonke isikhathi yimi who is showing up. Mina I always show up for abantu, but they never show up for me. Noma beshowile up, i-effort abayenzayo i-superficial, ayinawo umehluko ewenzayo empilweni yami. Kuba nje yikho lokho ukuthi kodwa khona beza. Noma kodwa khona yena wafona loyo muntu loyo. But as far as ukuthi ngisizakale the way yena asizakala ngakhona mangabe kuyimi oshowa up for yena, akufani. Abantu sesabajwayeza ukuthi thina will always be there for bona. So manje babona ukuthi okay, thina owethu umsebenzi is to be there for bona. Bona owabo umsebenzi is to be there for abanye abantu. Abasibona isidingo sokuthi bayibuyise le favor. Bona bafuna ukuthi thina sibe bahle emehlweni abo. Bona bezokwazi ukuthi-ke babe semandleni ukuthi bayoba bahle emehlweni abanye abantu. Into ebuhlungu ngokuba i-recovering people pleaser ukuthi even nalabantu obuyitshela ukuthi yeah, these are your day ones, yibo abantu abayohlala bekhona, yibo abantu oyohlala u-counter on bona kakhulu. Uyabona ukuthi bakuyuza kangakanani. Uyabona ukuthi abakucabangeli kangakanani. Uyabona the way abangana nembeza ngakhona. Uyabona the way abakutexa ngakhona. Yilapho obona khona ukuthi yazi lento yokuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uyamdinga umuntu oduze kwakho osuka kude naye. Ayisebenzi njalo leyo nto leyo. Ayisebenzi njalo because you find ukuthi mangabe sewuxakekile abantu abasondelene kakhulu nawe, abaseduze kakhulu nawe, yilaba bebesondelela ukuzokuyuza. Yilaba bebesondelela ukuthi bazokutexa. Abasondelene nawe ukuthi bezokwazi ukuthi bakusize. Sometimes fanele sindlule ey'ntweni phambi kwabo labantu laba esiy'tshela ukuthi-ke sibathemba kakhulu ukuze uNkulunkulu kusuke kuyindlela yakhe yokusibonisa ukuthi i-faith yethu siyibeke endaweni e-wrong. I-faith yethu is in the wrong hands. It's in the wrong people. Ingakho ngaso sonke isikhathi kuhlale kuthiwa kungcono ukuthi umane uyithembele idlozi noma uyithembele uNkulunkulu. Futhi-ke phela ukuthemba idlozi kuyafana nokuthi uthemba uNkulunkulu. Because idlozi are your guardian angels, athunyelwe uNkulunkulu. uNkulunkulu ovumayo ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bakuprotect, bakwazi ukuthi-ke baku-advocate-ele sometimes kwezinye izinto ey'dingwa wuwe kuye uNkulunkulu. Sometimes wena ezinye izinto ma ungayiboni futhi ungazi ukuthi kahle kahle yini leyo oyidinga ngaleyo ndlela, bona bayazi ama-guardian angels akho ukuthi-ke what is best for wena in those moments, and they advocate for wena kuNkulunkulu. Rather thatha ithemba lakho ulibeke lapho ulisuse ebantwini. And that will be the first step to recovering as a people pleaser.